guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I turned this old twist out into a really cute style that's also super quick. So if you want to see how I got these two curly ponytails, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off on just an old twist out like I said. I'm choosing to part my hair on the side, but you can also do this down the middle. I then just split my hair into two halves and put one side out of the way while I work on the other one. So the first thing you want to do is take your spray bottle and spray your hair with water. I spray a lot of water because my hair is super thick, but you can just choose how much you want to do. Next, you want to take your favorite gel. I'm using the EcoStyler Argan Oil Gel, and I'm just applying this to the entire section, making sure that my hair is fully coated. Once you've applied all of the gel, you want to take your brush and just smooth out the section. I'm choosing to use a soft bristle brush, but you can use a medium or a hard one if you like. Once you've gotten your hair nice and smooth, you just want to take a hairband and put your hair into a ponytail. And that's it. Now you just want to repeat that exact same process on the other side of your hair. After I'm done, I always just take out these two little pieces on the side of my hair just because I think it looks really cute. And then of course you want to go in and do your edges. I add a little bit more gel, and then I just go in with this eyebrow brush. I know a lot of people use a toothbrush, but I found that the eyebrow brush works even better, just my opinion. And these are my final results. I really love how cute this style is, and it's so quick to do. Literally anybody can do this style, which is why I love it. Let me know down below in the comments how you like this style, and let me know if there's any other styles that you would like me to try. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!